The Independent Kid is back with another presentation. It's called, If I Were an Astronaut, Where Would I Go? I love space because it holds things that have never been discovered before, and more discoveries lead to more knowledge. We are all time travelers in our own way because if we look at the sun and its setting, it is actually set 8 minutes ago because it takes 8 minutes from the light of the sun to get to Earth. Now we're going from Earth to the outer solar system, which doesn't include Mercury, Venus, Earth, or Mars. Our first stop is near Jupiter. This is Io, a moon of Jupiter. Its lava lakes are really big, and the volcanic eruptions that come from its volcanoes are visible from space. And Io is one of 67 known moons of Jupiter. This is the surface of Io. As you can see, it has a little bit of lava, but a lot more rocks. Now we're going to the next planet's moon. If you remember the little rhyme, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Jupiter, and then it has Saturn. So we'll be going to Saturn. This is Enceladus. It is a moon of Saturn, and it was discovered by Sir Frederick William Herschel on the 28th of August in 1789, and it's one of 62 known moons of Saturn. This is what it looks like being on the surface of Enceladus looking at Saturn. As you can see, it has lots of ice eruptions, and it's very cold because it's far away from the sun. Now we're going farther outside the solar system to a whole different place, the Betelgeuse system. This is Betelgeuse. It is a star, and it's 500 million miles in diameter. It might explode and cause a supernova in 500 million years, or just as likely to explode tomorrow or in a week. It is only 500 light years away, and that's really close when you're talking about space. When something is 500 light years away, that means it takes light 500 years to get from Betelgeuse to Earth. This is what Betelgeuse might become someday. A supernova is caused when a star more than 10 times the mass of the sun explodes. Now we're going so far outside the solar system you can't even see it from here. First, we're going to the Lagoon Nebula, and then the Crab Nebula. This is the Lagoon Nebula. It's home to a new star called Herschel 36. It was discovered by French astronomer Guillaume de Gentil in 1747. It's visible without a telescope and only 5,000 light years away. That means it takes light 5,000 years to get from the Lagoon Nebula to Earth. This is Herschel 36. It is so hot that the rays that come off it are not yellow, which is really hot, but blue, which is extremely hot. This is the Crab Nebula. There is a pulsar inside this nebula, and it is 6,500 light years away. That is approximately 1,500 light years farther away than the Lagoon Nebula. That means it takes 6,500 years for light to get from the Crab Nebula to Earth. These are pulses coming off the pulsar. This is the actual pulsar. It was once a core of a star. Now we're going super far away to other galaxies. This is our first stop, Andromeda. It is a galaxy in our little galactic neighborhood thingy. It is home to a black hole and 2.5 million light years away. That means that it takes 2.5 million years for light to get from Andromeda to Earth. This is Andromeda's black hole. Do you see that little blue radiation thing coming out of the darkness of the black hole? That is actually radiation. Black holes are formed when a star 15 times the mass of our sun, explodes. Right now, this black hole is sucking in a star that will soon be gone. This is a view from the top of the star. As you can see, the heat from the star is being pulled into the black hole. This is the triangulum. It is Hubble's most important image. While most people think it is a collection of stars, because that's what it looks like, it's actually a collection of galaxies. It is 3 million light years away. That means it takes light 3 million years to get from the triangulum to Earth. If you were an astronaut, where would you go? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks to Brian Cox for his brilliant Wonders iOS app, full of beautiful photos seen right here and the amazing facts. It inspired me a million times. And of course, thank you for watching.